Hi students, how are you? Hope you are all doing well. Today in this video, I will be discussing about a very important chapter for 9th standard, 10th standard in ICSE, in SSC board, that is circle. And explain properties of circle, which is actually a difficult topic at every level. So all properties of circle in a video of 10 to 12 minutes. So students, this might be a game changer for you in your examination. So please pay attention. Now we'll start with first. Everyone knows what is a circle. Important terms used in circle. Can I say center of a circle? Then you have something called as radius of a circle. Radius of a circle is a segment joining a center and can I say any point on the circle. Then there is something called as chord of a circle. A segment joining any two points on the circle is called as a chord of a circle. This is also what you know. Now this is nothing but a line which is intersecting circle at two different points. It is a line which is intersecting circle at two different points. Suppose line का नाम is line L and these are two different points, that is point XY. So XY is said to be a chord. So every secant contains a chord. And then very important thing which you will be using it is tangent of a circle. Tangent is also a line, secant is also a line. Secant intersects the circle, tangent touches the circle at only one and one point. So basic terms: center, radii, tangent, chord, and can I say secant. Now we will move on to properties of circle. Different properties of circle. And we will start with some properties of chords of a circle. For starting, properties of chord of a circle. Suppose AB is a chord and CD is a chord. And if these two chords are congruent, in simple language, if two chords in a circle are congruent, then two arcs subtended by them. Arcs is part of a circle. Matlab arc AB and arc CD is this. If two chords are equal, then two arcs are also equal. If a circle contains three chords, so if can I say three chords are equal, then can I say three arcs are equal. So in simple language, congruent chords subtends creates congruent arcs. What would be vice versa of this? Because that is also a true statement. Congruent arcs subtends congruent chords. That is, if arc AB, arc EF, arc CD is equal, then can I say chord AB, chord EF and chord CD are also equal. Now, we'll study one more property of a chord, which can I say describes one angle. Now, suppose ABC, if you understand it, AB is a chord, even BC is a chord. There is an angle created by these two chords at point B. And where does B lies? B lies nothing but can I say it lies on center of a circle. This angle, this is called as inscribed angle. This angle is called as an inscribed angle. Inscribed angle is angle subtended by two chords at a point lying anywhere on the circle. The condition is it has to be two chords and those two chords should intersect at any point on the circle. Simple property of this inscribed angle is measure of this angle. The angle का measure, that is angle ABC. Measure of this angle should be half of measure of an arc which it intersects, arc which it creates. Can I say because of this angle? This is the arc which has been created. So measure of angle ABC is equal to measure of arc AC. Half of measure of arc AC. So if AC is, can I say 100 degree, suppose, so can I say angle ABC would be 50 degree. So what is an inscribed angle in a nutshell? Do chord, any point on the circle, that angle created is called as an inscribed angle. Inscribed angle is half of the arc which it intercepts, उसको बोलते हैं intersected arc. Suppose if I draw two radii, then can I say there is one more angle created over here, और ये angle को we call it as central angle. ये angle को we call it as central angle. ये central angle है, it is equal to, I repeat, it is equal to measure of intercepted arc. मतलब same arc है AC and central angle is equal to measure of this arc. So difference between central and inscribed angle, फटाफट central angle में can I say दो radii are required, inscribed angle में two chords are required. Central angle is created at the center, as the name says. Inscribed angle is created at a point anywhere on the circle. Third point, central angle intersected arc का equal होता है, inscribed angle is half. So what is the relation between then this angle and this angle? As working shows, can I say central angle inscribed angle का double होगा. Suppose ये arc 100 है, तो ये भी 100 होगा central angle, और ये 50 है. So we say central angle is always twice of inscribed angle, or inscribed angle is half of central. तो in question examination में ऐसा कोई सवाल है जिधर central दिया और inscribed find करना है, don't make a mistake of finding this and then finding this. You can directly use this property. तो ये कहने से chord related property था, where you have an inscribed angle and this one. Now टर्मिनल वाली थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना. ABC inscribed angle है, आर्क AC मैंने आपको सिखाया, इट इज इंस्क्राइब्ड आर्क. आर्क ABC का भी एक नाम है, इट इज कॉल्ड एज इंस्क्राइब्ड आर्क. आई रिपीट, एंगल ABC इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल, ये AC इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. ये आर्क का भी एक नाम है विच इज कॉल्ड एज इंस्क्राइब्ड आर्क. एक स्टेटमेंट में inscribed arc contains inscribed angle. Inscribed angle, can I say, contains intercepted arc. I repeat, inscribed arc contains an inscribed angle. Inscribed angle contains an intercepted arc. Right? So these are the properties. Now we move on to one important property of a tangent. Tangent का एक important property जिससे angle का measures का होता है. Suppose, take it over here. Suppose ये सर्कल है, this is a tangent, ये सेंटर है. Can I say BA is nothing but a chord? ये एंगल जो होता है, एंगल BAC, here AC is a tangent, AB is a chord. इसको बोलते हैं, such angle is called as tangent secant angle. Such angle is called as tangent secant angle. Now you have inscribed angle in front of you, you have central angle in front of you, you have tangent secant angle in front of you. एक point of distinguish, इधर दो radii चाहिए, here you require two chords, here you require one a tangent and one is a chord or a secant. इसके जैसा प्रॉपर्टी इधर भी है. Measure of a tangent secant angle is, can I say, half of the intercepted arc. आपको inscribed angle जैसा ही प्रॉपर्टी याद रखना है, no need to remember it another way. Inscribed angle भी half of intercepted arc, tangent secant भी half of intercepted. खाली रीजन लिखने टाइम चेंज कर देने का. one is inscribed angle theorem, one is, can I say, tangent secant theorem. इधर can I say दो chords होने चाहिए, इधर एक tangent होना चाहिए, तो ही you have tangent secant angle का concept. बराबर है students? I hope this is clear to you. Now we'll move on to important property of a circle. उसके लिए quadrilateral सीखना पड़ेगा. जो quadrilateral का नाम है जिसके रिलेटेड बहुत सारे सम एग्जाम्स में आते हैं एंड इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. Cyclic quadrilateral. The quadrilateral is called as cyclic quadrilateral. Now what is a cyclic quadrilateral? A quadrilateral whose all four vertices lie on one and the same circle. I repeat, a quadrilateral whose all four vertices lie on one and the same circle, उसको बोलते हैं cyclic quadrilateral. Suppose we try to understand in my diagram. Suppose this is a circle. A, B, C, D point over here. All four vertices lie on the circle. Yes. Suppose I take another diagram. जिसमें you have PQRS. It is also a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, suppose if I take A, B, C, D और E, तो A, B, C, D cyclic quadrilateral है. ये इसका exterior angle होगा of cyclic quadrilateral. Now there are two important properties at both the standards which are important for students to understand. I hope you understood what is cyclic. All four points should lie on one and the same circle. तो हो गया cyclic. ये जो points होते हैं ना students A, B, C, D, ये points को we call it as concyclic points. कई बार एग्जामिनेशन में इन ऑर्डर टू मेक स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज्ड दे डोंट स्पेसिफाई प्रूव इट इज अ साइक्लिक कॉर्ड बट दे से प्रूव दैट दिस पॉइंट्स आर ऑफ कॉन्साइक्लिक पॉइंट्स. मतलब इन शॉर्ट अपने को करना वो है. दो प्रॉपर्टी स्टूडेंट्स देखो वेरी सिंपल. एक ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलैटरल आर सप्लीमेंट्री. Hope you understand supplementary, which is 180. So in this case, if I take A and C, can I say A plus C would be 180? If I take B and D, so B plus D would be also be 180. Suppose here in this example, if I specify, so P plus R 180, Q plus S 180. Suppose ये example A plus C 180, B plus D is also 180 degree. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. एकदम simple property. और last one property what we are going to study in this video is what about exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral? Then exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to opposite remote interior angle. I repeat, exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to opposite remote interior angle. Now what do you mean by word remote? Remote is far. तो ये exterior है, उसका कहने से nearby angle है. Ignore that. That is not remote because that is the nearby. Which are remotes? These three. उसमें से opposite. Opposite मतलब ये angle के कहने से ये opposite है. तो measure of an exterior angle is equal to measure of its opposite remote interior angle. मतलब if you can specify angle DCE would be equal to angle BAD. Suppose here I take this one. Can I say CDF is an exterior angle? CDF would be congruent to उसका ऑपोजिट कहने से ये होता है ABC. If I take suppose ये एग्जाम्पल, इधर एक्सटीरियर एंगल इधर ड्रॉ करता हूँ, ये वाला एंगल कैन आई से इट इज PST is congruent to PQR. Yeah. So students, what we understood in this video is, suppose we started just refreshing 2 minutes. We started with some important terms used in circle like center of a circle, radii of a circle, chord of a circle, secant of a circle, tangent of a circle. Then we move on to can I say chord का properties. Congruent chords, subtends congruent arcs, subtends congruent chords. Then हम लोग ने तीन important एंगल की जो सर्कल में यूज होते हैं, इंस्क्राइब्ड, सेंट्रल एंड टेंजेंट सेकंड. इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल किसको बोलते हैं? इट इज फॉर्म्ड बाय टू chords and point should lie on the circle. Inscribed angle का property, it is half of intercepted arc. Central angle है formed by two radius formed at the center as the name says. It is equal to intercepted, equal to. Therefore, what is the relation between central and inscribed? Is central is twice of inscribed, या inscribed is half of central. वो याद रखना बच्चे लोग, सब में बहुत काम आएगा. Instead of doing round and round, you can directly use this step. It will save your valuable time. And last one was tangent secant. Like inscribed angle, इधर भी relation half का है, but here you require one a tangent and one as a chord, or you can say a secant. Then we move on to cyclic quadrilateral. Quadrilateral whose all four points lie on one and the same circle, उसको cyclic बोलते हैं. Such points या such vertices are called as one cyclic points. ये भी याद रखने का एग्जाम्पल दिया. cyclic का दो प्रॉपर्टी, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Next one, measure of exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Measure of exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to measure of its opposite remote interior angle. Like this congruent to this, if I take here तो this angle और ये angle congruent होगा. If I take here तो ये exterior है, ये opposite remote interior angle congruent होगा. So I tried to cover, can I say, important properties of circle in my video 1. Video 1 will follow, which contains continuation of properties of circle. And I strongly recommend you to see both the videos. Therefore, all properties of circle at whatever level you study would be, can I say, crystal clear in your mind. Thank you for the same. Hope, can I say, we meet soon.